Hi everyone, this is Crystal, and today I am super excited to be sharing with you the October kits from Citrus Twist Kits. I have the Life Crafted kit, the stamp add-ons, and the scrapbooking add-on to show you today. So go grab something nice to drink, get cozy, and we're gonna dive right in. Let's start by looking at the Life Crafted kit. This is the Flourish kit, and I haven't looked at all of this yet. I did take it out of the packaging so that you wouldn't have to hear that crinkle, but I can already tell you that this one is amazing. I'm so excited about this kit, you guys. So let's start by looking at the journaling cards. So here is this one. It says here for this, and the other side is a gorgeous floral. The next one says, make this a priority, very good things, and good vibes in, bad vibes out. I think we could all use some of that right now. Oops. Grateful for all that I am, all that I have, all that is to come. And then the other side is like a little notebook sheet. Reading, listening, drinking, enjoying. I love that. That is super adorable. And then the other side, oh, it's just like these little lined, that's really cool. So that could just be like a background for a photo or something, but you could also journal in there or maybe add some stamping. I really like that. Subtle and significant. And then more lines with a heart and a check mark. Very cute. And then this one has the months of the year and the days of the week. And then the middle has a spot for journaling or photos or whatever you want to add there. And the other side is just a nice journaling card that says noted in a gorgeous blue color. Little yellow hearts. Loving this. Nobody I'd rather do life with than you. And another pattern on the back of that. I really like this one too. It has this kind of violet border and then these little strips that look like washi tape, and then the center is just a yellow grid. And then right now on the other side. So those are the 3x4 journaling cards. There are also a couple 4x6 journaling cards. This one says busy making memories. And then that same kind of washi style pattern with a ledger, printed ledger paper style area in the center, and then a kind of off-white border around it. More of those gorgeous florals with a yellow background. And then again, such beautiful florals. They're very bright and cheerful. I love that. As always, there is a little cut apart sheet of labels in colors that coordinate with this kit, and just look at those colors. This is just a gorgeous color palette. I just want to use all of them on a single layout just to get all those colors in one place. Then there is the bookmark. This is a 3x8 card. It says everything is going to be okay 3 times. And the background is this gorgeous kind of minty teal color. And the other side says remote happenings, place and date, and then a spot for some journaling. Next, let's take a look at the papers. So first up is this really beautiful green floral. It's kind of unexpected, I guess. It's not something I would think to use, but it's really gorgeous. And then a nice wood grain. Love a neutral wood grain pattern. Makes a really great background. Same with this. It's just a light, a gray dot on a white background. Really nice neutral patterns. These always seem to be the ones I use first in my kits. More of that yellow heart pattern like we saw on one of the 3x4 cards. A gray kind of flourishy geometric pattern. Another nice neutral paper. A pink and white geometric pattern. A kind of fuchsia and orange-ish pattern. Here's more of that gorgeous floral. Oh, that's just beautiful. I want like curtains in this pattern or something. It's just gorgeous. And a daisy pattern with a mint background. More of that really pretty violet color. I'm glad we've been getting more and more purples in our kits. I wasn't a big purple fan, but these kits are making me one. This really, I don't know, it's almost like a floral, but it's kind of like an animal print. It's very pretty though, in orange and pink. Oh, and this one is gorgeous. So I've always loved this color combination of orange and pink together. And this just has the perfect shades. I love this. And it just screams fall to me too. So perfect for this time of year. Okay, so those are the cards and the papers. Let's take a look at the embellishments, starting with the stamp set. So this one has flourish, good vibes, feeling all the feels today, vibrant color, living our best life, seek, flourish, bloom, true life story, your enthusiasm floors me, this today, painting outside the lines, my favorite time of year, beauty, bundle up, little things, incandescent beauty, doing good things, big things, my happy, and at our table. Really great sentiments. And then you guys look, we get more enamel dots. Oh my goodness. I love these so much. The last ones we got were so great. I used a ton of them. These are more like, not really, well, I guess maybe a little bit pastel. They're kind of more muted colors. They're gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I hope that that shows up on camera because it is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to use those. We also get some tiny word stickers, and I love using these on my projects as well. I use them in Project Life and in layouts and in my Life Crafted and Traveler's Notebook projects. I pretty much use them on everything, so it's nice to have more of those. And then, of course, puffy stickers. You can never have too many of these. We get hearts and stars, and then these circles with little words on them that say beauty, focus, hello, fun, this, love. Love that. And then finally, the alpha, and oh, this just makes me swoon. It's gorgeous. It's this darker teal color, and it's the same font. I can't remember the name of it, but they have a stamp set. Citrus Twist has a stamp set that I have purchased in the past in this font, and it's just the like perfect, skinny, small alpha. I love it. I love this color. I love this alpha. It's not going to last long in my stash. And then, of course, there are numbers as well, which make doing Project Life pages super easy. Okay. Easy. Okay, so that is the Life Crafted kit, the Flourish kit for this month. Next up, let's take a look at a couple of the stamp sets. Okay, so I have the Life Crafted stamp set and the Traveler's Notebook stamp set add-ons to show you today. Let's start with the Traveler's Notebook stamp set. So this one has onward, all kinds of happy, embrace you, heck yes, be weird, be different, be crazy, be you. Those would be great to use all together on a card or a layout. I trust the next chapter, awesome, craving your vibe, unleashed, time to flourish, happy is as happy does, chilling, happiness is an inside job. I love that. Curious thoughts and a heart of surprise. Bad vibes don't go with my outfit. Dream big and mind, body, and soul. Lots of really great, unique sentiments on that one. And this is the Life Crafted stamp set. It's called Ready for This. So you can see it has some florals, lots of kind of title-sized words, some smaller phrases as well. And then, of course, the best part of these stamp sets is the little example key on the back to show you how to put all of them together and create some really gorgeous combinations. So I love these little, they're like plant markers. That's what they look like to me. That stamp that you can add, this stamp here that you can add all these other things into, and then look at how you can curve some of them around the other ones. There it is, Ready for This, and it works around the florals and this little, I guess that's a flower, kind of looks like a star. Beautiful. I especially love this Caring for My Soul one. I foresee myself getting lots of use out of that stamp. Okay, so those are the two stamp sets I have to show you for this month. Next up, let's take a look at the gorgeous scrapbook add-on. Okay, so here is the scrapbook add-on kit for the month of October. You may be able to tell already that there is a lot of Maggie Holmes Marigold in this one, so I'm sure you can imagine how beautiful it's going to be. I can't wait to dive in and take a look. I am going to set these embellishments off to the side and start with the papers. So first up, we have this one. It looks like it is from the Marigold collection. Yes, it is. It's called Our Story. So it has these cut apart elements on the back, very vintage looking, very gorgeous. And the other side is this kind of burnt umber, kind of rusty color with these little flourishes in it in pink. This one I believe is also from Marigold. Yes, it has this gorgeous floral. It's called Becoming. And then the other side is a pink and that kind of grayish white background that crepe paper always uses as their kind of neutral color. Again, another one from Marigold, a gorgeous, it's a floral, but it looks like peaches maybe on it. And then it's called Natural Beauty. And the other side is it's like a ledger or a notebook paper. I love this. I love simple papers like that. I get so much use out of them. Another one from Marigold, this is High Note, and it's a music sheet paper with some distressing and then some like doodling on it as well in pink. And the other side is a bright pink and light pink polka dot. This one is also from Marigold. It's called Very Dear, and you can see why. It has these adorable deer. I love these kind of folklorish patterns as well. I sometimes have a hard time using them, but they're just beautiful. I just want to like hang it up on my wall and look at it. And then the other side is that wood grain, also extremely usable, although it would be super hard to cut into that folklore pattern just to use the wood grain. I'll be honest with you. I really love that. Okay, so this is another one from Marigold. It's called Harvest. So it has pears on this one. And the other side, is like a black and white lines and grids in a grid pattern. Another one from Marigold, this is Remember When. This is also a cut apart. I really love some of these pieces. I can see definitely using them on layouts, but I can also see using them in Project Life to like add on top of a journal card or something to add some journaling. I really like that. And then the other side is a green pattern. So it's kind of a scallop pattern with a darker green pattern on top of a lighter green. I'm not sure how else to describe that. It's really pretty though. Another one from Marigold, this one is Nostalgia, and it has these kind of old-fashioned typewriter letters on it. And then the other side is a plaid in pink and that same kind of rusty umber color and a bit of white in there as well. Ooh, I love this polka dot. This is also Marigold. It's called Freshly Picked. So this side has a black and white floral and then this gorgeous pink and kind of rose pink polka dot on the back side. Another floral from Marigold. Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. It's called Full of Grace. It has all these gorgeous roses on it. Ugh, I kind of want to fussy cut it, but I kind of want to leave it as is. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Then the other side has a blue pattern. It's like a light kind of minty teal background with a darker blue geometric pattern over the top. You can see those same blues in the backside of this paper, which is called Sweet Sunshine, and then another plaid. Oh, doesn't this just look like fall? It looks like fall to me. I'm definitely going to be doing some fall scrapbooking with that one. And then another cut apart from Marigold. This is The Good Life. So lots of really usable cut aparts. There's some 3x4s, it looks like, and some tags and some labels. Very beautiful. And then the other side is just a black and kind of cream colored buffalo plaid. Very usable as well. And then we get 2 sheets of cardstock. One is Basil in coral cream, and then another one in just plain white. So those are the papers in this kit. Let's take a look at the embellishments. So first of all, we get a couple of vintage papers. I love using these, and these are, that looks like French, and then some English as well. I especially love using, and a dictionary page. I love that. I especially love using foreign language ones because it doesn't kind of distract from the subject matter or journaling or whatever I add onto my pages, because I don't speak French, so I don't know what it says. So it's just kind of a nice neutral background when I use it on my pages. I love using vintage sheets. We also get this set of thickers. This is lovely. I'm guessing this is from the same collection from Marigold. They are gold puffy thickers. There are some titles, some kind of foliage or flourishes, and some flowers and leaves and hearts. The other side has more of the same, really beautiful. Ooh, a couple bows as well. Those are just gorgeous. And it's kind of a muted gold. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but it's not super bright and shiny, which is really nice. We get the Marigold ephemera pack. So there are 40 pieces of ephemera in here. You can see in varying sizes, some rather large, some pretty small. Here's a look at what is inside really quickly. So you can see there's plenty of journaling spots. Looks like some titles as well. Some butterflies and bows and flowers. Really pretty. And a lot of the same themes, of course, that you saw in the papers. So you get kind of more of those colors and patterns. Also from Marigold is this sheet of puffy stickers, and oh my goodness, that little squirrel has my heart already. Oh, there's another one. Oh my goodness. Okay, they're freaking adorable. And yeah, this is really, really cute stuff. Oh, I can't wait to use it. Okay. Oh, and there's a little acorn. Oh, I just need to calm down. Okay. We also get a puppy alpha. This is a Citrus Twist Kits alpha in a gorgeous light mint color that's going to work so beautifully with the colors in this this kit. I can never have enough puffy alphas from Citrus Twist, so happy to have another one. And then finally, some little bits of ribbon and trim and fabric, which I love this idea of including in my projects along with the vintage papers, because it just adds texture. And yeah, I have ideas. I have lots of ideas for how I want to use this already, so I'm excited to dive in and get started. Okay, so those are the kits for October from Citrus Twist. I haven't actually checked the status of kits recently, but I know that in the past several months they've sold out very quickly. The best way to make sure that you get them is to subscribe, so make sure you do that if you want to make sure that you can get your hands on these kits. I hope that you have enjoyed this little walkthrough. Everything will be linked down below, and yeah, I will see you all back here very soon.